7 Simple Secrets to Make Your Computer Run Faster. Reminder, while using these secrets, you are using programs and features that come with the Windows 10 operating system. You are doing this at your own risk. Number 6. Uninstall unwanted programs. Sometimes programs are installed on your computer and you don't use them or no longer use them or need them. This still takes up space on your computer. Plus, sometimes even though you are not using the program, it may be running in the background. Uninstalling programs can free up space and increase performance. To see all the programs installed on your computer, go into the search bar and type in Programs. You will see Programs and Features pop up. Click on it. A window will pop up listing all of your programs installed on your computer. You can sort them by name, publisher, installed on, size, and version. It is recommended to sort them by size. That way you will know how big the program is and if you want to uninstall it to free up space. To uninstall the program, hover over the program you wish to uninstall and then click the word uninstall on the menu bar above the program listing. A small menu pops up and asks if you are sure. If you are sure, then click OK or Next depending on what the uninstall window requests.